I genuinely enjoy my job. I genuinely enjoy connecting with clients. I've done large projects, I've done commercial work, but residential without fail, if when you find those right clients and you can truly collaborate with, you make beautiful spaces, the whole thing is enjoyable. I love that part of it. It's fantastic to come into a space that isn't quite working and you're able to facilitate and create a calming, beautiful space. And it does, how it affects people. It's beautiful. Hi, I'm Peter Bachak, founder and director of Osmosis Gardens. So actually there's a story behind the name Osmosis from when I was in college and we were studying soil science. And it was about that time that I had done a few designs and I found that I had a bit of a knack for it. And the clients were, well, the first were very generous and they were amazed. They said, this is exactly what we saw in our head. We couldn't articulate it. And it's like you've just pulled the idea straight out of our heads. I remember that osmosis was the way that water moves from one surface to another and is pulled through. And that kind of came back to me when they said that, was that their ideas were going into my mind through osmosis, coming out and being actualized in reality. It gelled really nicely. Yeah, and so now we have osmosis. Yeah.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more tips to transform your outdoor space. And don't stop there. Check out our suggested videos for more inspiration.